Welcome, chasers. First of all, excuse my English because I'm not a native speaker. I'm from Spain, so I will try to do my best. Here you can see VEGANCOIN, which is my very unique project that I created a few weeks ago. And this is probably the only vegan, transparent, honest, and backed by a YouTuber, international Spanish and English YouTuber, Cazando Crypto, and chases crypto in English, that you could probably find in the Solana ecosystem. This is the graph, as you can see, is lateralizing here. We find a very good resistance around 6 and 7. You can see right now we are on 7. We had a very good dip yesterday, but all the people from the community bought that almost immediately. And why do I say that this project is very transparent and honest? You can tell by yourself. You just have to go here on the screener, all the links will be in the description, and you can check all the transactions that created this project. In fact, I didn't sell any token. You can check that out yourself. You have to go here to Vegan and click on the Explorer. Here you can click on the update authority from the token, which is my very unique wallet. You can filter by SPL transfers in here and search for vegan because I traded a lot of shitcoin tokens, so it's easier to find them. And here you can show the very first 40 transactions and go to the latest one, and you will find here the time when I created the billion tokens. After that, I sent 50 million to one wallet, 50 million to another, 25 million to another, and 25 million to another. And the rest of the tokens, 850 million, were created for the liquidity. This 50% of the project is intact. I didn't sell any tokens. In fact, I bought more later, which I didn't sell neither. So how can you track that out? It's very easy. You just have to click on any of these transactions. I will open all these wallets so you can check it out easily with me, and go here and check the wallet, and you will see that it has in fact 50 million. This one, let's check the following one that you have 50 million also, you can see. And here these ones you have 25 million, here they are, and the last one for 25 million, and here it is. I didn't sell any tokens of this 15%. In fact, what I did is buy more tokens with my own money. You can see plus 5 million, 1 million, 7 million, 7 million. That's all that I bought 20 days ago, 19, 18, 17. And after that, you will see minus 5,000 transfers. All these transfers came from my pocket, so all the people that follow it in Twitter and participated in the airdrop enjoy 5,000 tokens. Nowadays it's like 50 cents, but if we reach the market cap, for example, for Dove Hat, we could probably sell them for $25,000. And that's free. So once that is checked, you can see that a lot of people took a lot of profit from my project. 3,000, 2,000, 2,000 again. A lot of people took profit, even invested like $19, sorry. They took like 300 and still have almost 1,000. You see the potential of this project so very early. We're still very early because we only have like 11K in the liquidity, and in fact it's 5.7K. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor, that you can only invest anything that you're willing to lose and don't expect any return from this. I just wanted to announce you guys the first buyback and burn that I did for this project. And you can see in here, it's for $1.4 million, million vegans, not dollars, worth. So you can track where these tokens came from. If you go to SPL transfers, okay, I received a 1.4 million. He bought that tokens directly from the liquidity, investing, let's say, 0.63 Solanas, and at this time was around worth $100. So I accepted as a payment method for my YouTube channel, Cazando Crypto in Spain, VEGANCOIN tokens. So this guy bought VEGANCOIN from the liquidity directly, and I burned it. So it means that tokens from the people just are more valuable. This is a great thing. And other thing that I want to announce here is that instead of these people taking so much money from the liquidity and from the project, I will try to compete against them, doing some trading against my own project. As you can see here, I only have $50 worth of my project, worth of USDT, and I will try to buy and sell my own token that will generate volume. I will also burn a lot of tokens here with this wallet. If I get some benefits from that, will create more value for the shareholders. And also, in case I get a lot of liquidity from this, I will not only buy and burn these tokens and remove tokens from circulation supply, I will also invest in marketing, index screener ads, and so on. So remember guys, this is only the very beginning. It looks like it did like 50 times the beginning value, and it did, but we are very, very early in this moment. So if you like the project and the video and the idea itself, please give us a like, subscribe, and activate the notifications so you don't miss any of the incoming videos. And there are a lot of good things to come for this project, so stay tuned.